Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to the 100 watt Seagree Golden Dream grow light. In this video we are going to unpack it. I'm going to show you the contents of the box. I'm going to show you some details of the grow light itself. You notice it's going to be shipped in a rather small cardboard box. Once you open, you'll find that it has a thick polymer liner on the inside of the box to protect it during shipping. Inside you will find the operation manual, the hanging kit, which has a D-ring, and the power supply. This power supply is a European power supply, but each power supply can be custom to your market, whether that's the North American market, European market, or the Asian market. Now, to the light itself. This is the 100 watt Golden Dream grow light. As you can see, it's quite small, it's light, it's ultra slim, it's compact. It has two full spectrum COBs with 120 degree beam angles. If you notice on the back side, each COB has a cooling fan. Here you will find the power on and off switch and the connector for your power supply. So this is a very compact, lightweight grow light, and it's priced best in its class on the market right now. As you can see, it's a very, very good small grow light. In this video, I am going to demonstrate the 100 watt grow light and show you the 3x3 foot coverage area that it can produce when it's on. I'm going to turn it on its side. Plug in the power supply, turn it on. As you can see, it has a pretty wide 3x3 coverage area. You can feel the air coming from the cooling fans on each COB. And if we look here on our box, we can see that we're running about 100 to 101 watts. I want to thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos from Seagree.